Alright, what's up guys? My name is Zach, and today I'm back again with another unboxing video, but today it's not a brat box, it's a parking brake button. But I'll get into that in a second. So, I have been sent a parking brake button by Piolk Design. Piolk Design is a company that makes parking brake buttons, but they're looking to expand their portfolio very, very soon. So they have sent me something to demo for you guys that I'm actually super excited about. First thing right off the bat is that they have these really nice bags. It sounds weird to say, but this is actually like a really quality bag, and I can totally see walking around car shows, that sort of thing with that. But this is it. This is the Piolk designed parking brake button. So let's cut into it. Hand on heart, I swear on all my Apex seals that I've never opened up a Piolk box before. So this is my general first reaction. Pull it out like this and open it up. I think this is really cool. This is a sticker and it says 2 out of 6. So with every button that you get, you're gonna get a different one if you order a different style. So I think that's really cool. So here we have simple, very, very simple instructions on how to remove and put on your Piolk button. It's actually super easy. I don't know if most people know this, but most parking brake buttons just unscrew. I actually didn't know that until I was messing around. I knew I was going to do this video, so I was messing around with my own button, and it just unscrews. So that's super cool. And then there's 2 more Piolk stickers, a square and a longer one, which they have a little bit of shimmer to them. They're shiny, which I think is really cool. That'll help them stand out. Now, another cool thing is that the inside of the box, you actually have the Piolk design, which is really cool, and then you have the actual button itself. This is it. This is the button. Pretty lightweight. Now, you might be looking at this and thinking, why would I want this? I'm gonna stab myself. Well, Piolk actually sent me a handbrake to demonstrate with. And so, when this is on the end, I'll unscrew this, which also, by the way, this is the removal process. Watch for the spring, but there it is. If you were to put this on, you actually use this top part right here. Obviously, this one isn't meant for this. This is a Scion TC, and I believe this one's for Miata, but you actually press down on the top. You don't actually stab yourself, which is cool. But here's another Piolk design. So these are 2 of your button options. But to then install it, you literally just screw it in. Takes a little bit, but once it's screwed all the way in, that's it. So Piolk sells these for a range of vehicles. You Miata guys, they sell them for Miatas, for NA Miatas for now, but they will expand out to other Miatas soon. This also fits first generation RX-7s, I know because I tried it. So if you buy an NA button, then it will fit a older FB RX-7 like me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys kind of got a feel for what Piolk Design is doing. If you'd like to order one, they're down in the description below. And don't forget to follow them on Instagram at Piolk Design. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to rate the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you really liked it. Take care, guys. There goes a sight from my soul.